Hello everybody, Mr. Sichinga here. I believe you're all doing fine. In this video, I would just like to share a few things with you. The first one is just to thank you for the support that you've been showing us from day one. If you look at the numbers, on YouTube, we're now at 2.3K. On Facebook, we're now at 1.1K. So that's a lot of support and it's overwhelming. Thank you so much. The other thing I would like to mention is the promotion that we are going to run starting tomorrow, Saturday the 15th, up to Sunday, 16th February. So this promotion is where you just pay a 30 kwacha, okay, for the subject that you want, and you'll be added to the online program that we're running. So just simply pay 30 kwacha for the subject that you want us to help you with, and you'll be added to the online program. So if you want to know more about the online program or the subjects that we offer, just simply contact or WhatsApp the following numbers. So for Airtel, it is 0971 64 95 45. Then for MTN, it is 0765 24 52 52. Okay, so those are the numbers that you can get in touch with us on. Thank you so much and have a good night.